Dirk, nice to see you again after teaching at Edinburgh Workshop. Brilliant. I love that event. It was brilliant. My question, if I'm right, you are not a full-time musician and you have a demanding day job. Yes, I do. How do you organize your practice and your repertoire maintenance? I like that. In short, poorly. I Between the guitar and the harmonica, over the last few years, with the little bit of spare time that I have, I prioritize the harmonica over the guitar. So my guitar playing has sort of deteriorated quite rapidly. But I'm getting back into it recently. I, when I do find time to play, I tend to play quite a lot of country style rhythms because I just think it suits the nature of the harmonica and playing solo. It's such a great style to learn. And I get such pleasure and fun out of the sound of the harmonica. I'm not someone who uses a lot of overblows. For me, the harmonica is an instrument which is all about sound. It's about tone, getting a great tone out of it. So when I'm practicing, I do practice scales and I will play songs in different positions and I will improvise. I will play my own tunes, but I do get a buzz out of, just, this is an A harmonica. We're just working on just getting a big sound, And for me, that's, you don't even need the amp in a way. To me, that's the sound. So I spend a lot of time doing that and just playing, stuff like that. Just having fun, but working on scales, working on tone. And but my song repertoire, I always get nervous when I have to go out and play these days because there's a big difference between when I was pro and I was practicing 6, 8, 10 hours a day and touring. You were just able to switch it on like that, and I'm not able to do that like I used to. But on the other hand, I'm very fortunate to enjoy my day job, and I do things like design new dashboards for Volvo. I've designed Virgin's new digital bank. I've just created a new product for Sky. So I'm lucky to work in the field of product innovation and design.